When can people exercise their constitutional right to protest? Recent events have sparked a national conversation about the right to protest. Many people are asking when and how they can exercise this important freedom. The First Amendment of the United States Constitution guarantees the right to peaceful assembly. This means individuals can gather in public spaces to express their views. However, there are rules about how and when this right can be exercised. Just yesterday, protests erupted in various cities across the country, highlighting the need for clarity on this issue. In Texas, for example, protests are allowed as long as they remain peaceful. If a protest turns violent, or if it blocks roads or damages property, law enforcement can take action. Participants may face charges such as disorderly conduct or obstruction. In the United Kingdom, the situation is a bit different. Recent legislation has raised concerns about how the government defines protest actions. Some actions are now labeled as terrorism, which can limit the right to protest. This is especially true if the actions are seen as threatening public safety or attempting to influence government actions. In Kenya, the right to protest is also protected, but there are strict expectations. Protesters are advised to avoid violence and not carry weapons. Authorities in Kenya aim to balance the right to protest with the need for public order. To effectively exercise the right to protest, it is essential to know local laws. Keeping protests peaceful is vital. It is also important to avoid actions that could be interpreted as violent or illegal. Law enforcement and the courts often determine what is acceptable, so staying informed is key. In summary, people can exercise their constitutional right to protest when they comply with the law and maintain peace. Understanding the rules helps protect this right and prevents unnecessary legal issues.